Good morning children. Now we are going to learn about 8th standard chemistry 4th unit matter. Through this lesson we are going to know about the types of matter, the symbol of various elements, metals, non-metals, metalloids, properties of metals and non-metals, then uses of compounds in daily life. In the universe, all manifestations, phenomena and evolution of life are caused by matter and energy. The various objects which exist around us are made of some kind of matter. We perceive some of these objects through our sense like sight, touch, hearing, taste and smelling. A glass tumbler can be seen. Agarbatti burning can be recognized by its smell, whereas wind blowing can be felt. All kinds of matter possesses mass and occupy space. Of course, some are heavy and others are light. Thus, matter can be defined as anything which occupies space or volume and mass and can be perceived by our senses. As we know already, matter exists in solids, liquids, gases. Solids, substances like wood, stone, sand, iron, etc. Liquids, substances like water, milk, fruit juice, etc. Gases, substances like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, steam, etc. How the matter is composed? Matter in any physical state is composed of smaller particles such as atom, molecules or ions. Molecules are also made up of atoms of same or different kinds. Hence, atoms are the building blocks of matter. Atom. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which exhibits all the properties of that element. It may or may not exist independently but takes part in every chemical reaction. We have learned about the basics of atoms in class 7 atomic structure chapter. Let's see about molecules. Molecules. Atoms of the same element or different elements combine to form a molecule. A molecule is the smallest particle of a pure substance which can exist independently and retain the physical and chemical properties of the substance. Ions. Atoms or group of atoms having a charge positive or negative are called ions. Symbols. A symbol is an image, object, etc. that stands for some meanings. For instance, a dove is a symbol of peace. Similarly, we denote mathematical operations by symbols. For example, plus denotes addition, minus denotes subtraction, etc. In the same way, in chemistry, each element is denoted by a symbol. Writing out the name of an element every time would become too difficult. So, name of an element is represented by shortened form called as symbol. Symbol of elements. Let us learn the brief history of symbols of elements. Greek symbols. The symbols in form of the geometrical shapes were those used by the ancient Greeks to represent the 4 basic elements around us, such as earth, air, fire and water. Alchemist symbol. In the days of alchemists, the different materials that they used were represented by the above mentioned symbol while they tried to change less valuable metal into gold. The process was called alchemy and the men who did this work were known as alchemists. These are some alchemy symbols. John Dalton, English scientist, tried to name the various elements based on these pictorial symbols. These symbols are difficult to draw and hence they are not used. It is only of historical importance. Berzelius symbols. In 1813, John Jacob Berzelius devised a system using letters of alphabet rather than signs. The modified version of Berzelius system follows under the heading System for Determining Symbols of the Elements. Present system for determining symbols of the elements. The symbols of the most common elements, mainly non-metals, use the first letter of their English name. Let's see the elements and symbols. Boron, B. Carbon, C. Fluorine, F. Hydrogen, H. Iodine, I. Nitrogen, N. Oxygen, O. Phosphorus, P. Sulfur, S. Vanadium, V. Uranium, U. Yttrium, Y. If the name of the element has the same initial letter as another element, then symbol uses the first and second letters of their element name. First letter in uppercase and the second letter is in lowercase. Aluminium, Al. Barium, Ba. Beryllium, Be. Bismuth, Bi. Bromine, Br. Cobalt, Co. Gallium, Ga. Helium, He. Lithium, Li. Neon, Ne. Silicon, Si. Argon, Ar. If the first two letters of the names of elements are the same, then the symbol consists of first letter and second or third letter of English name that they do not have in common. Let's see the elements and symbol. Argon, Ar. Arsenic, As. Chlorine, Cl. Chromium, Cr. Bromine, Br. Cobalt, Co. Calcium, Ca. Cadmium, Cd. Magnesium, Mg. Manganese, Mn. Silicon, Si. Some symbols are used on the basis of their old names or Latin name of an element. There are 11 elements. Sodium, natrium. Potassium, kalium. Iron, ferrum. Symbol for sodium, Na. Potassium, K. Iron, Fe. Copper, Latin name cuprum, symbol Cu. Silver, argentum, symbol Ag. Gold, aurum, symbol Au. Mercury, hydrargyrum, symbol Hg. Lead, plumbum, symbol Pb. Tin, stannum, symbol Sn. Antimony, Latin name stibbium, symbol Sb. Tungsten, Latin name wolfram, symbol W. Some elements are named using name of country, scientist, color, mythological character and planet. Let's see that kind of element and symbols. Americium, symbol Am, name derived from America country. Europium, symbol Eu, name derived from Europe country. Nobelium, symbol No, name derived from Alfred Nobel, scientist. Iodine, symbol I, name derived from violet, color, Greek. Name Mercury, symbol Hg, name derived from god Mercury, mythological character. Plutonium, symbol Pu, name derived from Pluto planet. Neptunium, symbol Np, name derived from Neptune planet. Uranium, symbol U, name derived from Uranus planet. Do you know how to write a symbol for a given element? While writing a symbol for an element, we should adhere to the following method. If the element has a single English letter as a symbol, it should be written in capital letter. For elements having two letter symbols, the first letter should be in capital followed by small letter. What is the significance of the symbol of an element? Symbol of an element signifies name of the element, one atom of the element. For example, the symbol O stands for the element of oxygen, one atom of oxygen. Okay children, in this class we saw about types of matter, symbols of various elements. We will meet in next class with new topic. Thank you children.